Welcome back to Digital Electronics Visualized. In this episode, we're exploring the OR gate, the logic gate where any single high input turns the output on. The OR gate features a curved concave back for its inputs and a sharp-pointed tip for its output. Its Boolean expression is written as y equals a plus b, where the plus sign represents logical or addition. Here is the key rule for OR logic. Output y is 1 if either a or b is 1. If a is 0 and b is 0, y is 0. If a is 0 and b is 1, y is 1. If a is 1 and b is 0, y is 1. And if both a and b are 1, y is 1. To remember OR logic permanently, picture two light switches wired in parallel across a battery. If switch A is closed or switch B is closed, electricity finds a complete path to light the bulb. Only when both switches are open does the bulb turn off. OR gates are essential everywhere. They drive burglar alarms when a door or window sensor trips, dual power supplies when grid or battery power is active, and binary full adders to merge carry signals. So 2 inputs, 1 output, and any one input makes it 1. That's the OR gate. Subscribe because next up is the universal NAND gate.